Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to disable Respect Device Power Mode settings in Windows 10 or 11. So firstly guys, click on this search icon and here guys type searching. Now left click on Windows search settings. So guys, this first option you will see Respect Power Settings when indexing. So guys, you have to just select to off in case you want to turn off and disable this respect power settings when indexing. So just select to off position. That's it. So like this guys, you can turn off and disable respect power settings in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this video useful for you or not.